Hi, I'm Kyle Clapper, and today I'm going to be talking to you about database design. Database design is very crucial when you're talking about databases, largely in the part that it'll help you organize what you're doing, and it'll also make your database look good and make things easier to find. So, first thing I did was I just started researching just Wikipedia just to see like what database design was all about. And basically, it's just what's the most logical data model that you can follow to make your database as efficient as possible. So right here they have a picture showing, the organization of this specific database, which is done very well. It's easily readable and easily accessible. So that's good. The next thing I did was find this website on the rules or like guidelines for making your database when designing it. And I'm just going to go over some of the more broad ones that seem the most important. Which the first one is what's the nature of the application? So what kind of information are you going to be displaying on this? You know, are you doing baseball teams? Are you doing bank accounts? Better for yourself. So the next one is to break your data into logical pieces to make yourself simpler. So instead of having like student name and then just putting their entire first, last, and middle name, break that stuff up into columns for yourself so it's easily accessible, and it'll be a lot better for readability. You know, if you're reading this, I'm not sure which is which. It's not broken down efficiently, but this is very easily readable, and you can understand this very well. Breaking your tables down into more efficient pieces is also a good idea. So if you have, let's say, like a textbook or something, if you make a table of textbook names and then just link to the IDs, it's an efficient use of your time. Watch out for partial dependencies. You know, there's no reason to make a ton of different tables linking things. Just do like one or two at the most, but no more than that. Also, if efficiency is your main objective, don't break things down too much. Like if you have to keep linking to different tables to find stuff, it's going to take a lot of time. But if you want things to be as efficient as possible, you also put those in the same table. Thank you for listening.